UniWigs has launched a new medium length, brown, beautiful new human hair wig, and I'm here for it. So this brand new wig on the UniWigs site is called Serena. It's a lace top remy human hair wig, and it retails for $779.89. And the color is cold coffee brown. This wig has luxurious remy human hair, so it's made from premium remy human hair. The hair is long lasting and can be freely heat styled with curlers, flat irons, blow dryers. I'm going to show you guys how I do that. It's a brunette balayage color, and it has temple to temple front lace. So this offers a natural hairline and a free parting to part the hair in the middle or the side of your choice. So take a look at what this wig looks like before I do anything right from the box. Okay. So as you can see, there are a few things that need to be done. We definitely need to style it because this really bouncy kind of roller, a way to get around doing that is just plucking the hairline. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Now the first thing that you're going to do is you are going to grab some scissors and you are going to cut that lace around the hairline. And you're going to go as close to those knots as you can without getting into the knots or without cutting the wig at all. So you can see her hairline right here. And all I'm going to do is open it up. So I'm going to grab some of these hairs with my tweezers and I am going to pull them out to open up this whole area. Okay, so if you can see that, you can see that the part is much wider now and that all of these hairs here at the front have been cleaned up. So as you can see, as I'm moving along this wig, when I put my flat iron through the hair, I am not getting any type of melting or any type of weird reaction to the heat. This is something that happens when your human hair wigs are not completely human hair. Look at that. This is gorgeous hair. This quality is amazing. So I'm showing you what it looks like without gluing it down at all. And it is quite seamless. It looks pretty darn natural. That's without even painting the hairline. Sometimes you can also paint the hairline with foundation. It is beautiful. It is a beautiful wig. This is what it looks like in natural lighting. So I am now outside.